If you've ever wondered how to squeeze every last point or cashback offer out of your credit cards, the Max Rewards app promises to do exactly that. Automate your rewards game. Activate hidden offers and tell you which card gets you the best value every time you swipe. It sounds like a dream for credit card enthusiasts. But does it really deliver? Or is it just another app that overpromises and underdelivers? Let's dive in. The app is available on both the Play Store and App Store, which means it's passed all the required checks by Google and Apple, giving it an edge in credibility. Plus, its online presence looks strong. With over 175K followers on Instagram and active engagement on Facebook and X, the team clearly isn't hiding in the shadows. In fact, Max Rewards is run by founders Anik Khan and David Gao, who are openly listed on the company's website along with LinkedIn profiles, which adds a layer of transparency you don't often see in financial apps. Users also mention decent customer support, with real contact options like email, phone, and even a physical office address, something you rarely find with digital-only tools. Ratings-wise, the app holds a 4.5-star average on the App Store, reflecting that many users find genuine value in it. But it's not all perfect. Some users have reported syncing issues, especially with certain banks, which can be frustrating when your goal is automation. Others complain that recent updates removed useful features like sorting offers by date, a move that feels like a step backward. And despite its popularity, Trustpilot still lacks detailed feedback, which makes it tough to fully verify reliability. Overall, Max Rewards isn't a scam, but it's also not a flawless app. It's a helpful tool for maximizing credit card perks, yet occasional bugs and feature changes might test your patience.